Hi, my name is Dr. Jennifer Sue. I'm a practicing gynecologist with integrative background, so integrative medicine gynecologist. My husband and I own a practice that we love, and we focus on men and women's hormone optimization. And I get asked a lot. I get asked a lot what I eat in a day, so let's just do it. So I love food as medicine. I need to cover it up or else mom will have my head. As you know, we believe in functional food, so food is medicine. Let's just start with the day. I'll come into work and right away I get this popped open, and it is Poppi, is a prebiotic soda. I just swig that back and then we go on to the next part. Meet Crystal, it's our therapy cat. Shake her up, she'll move a little bit. There she goes. Thanks. Oop. Roses from Jack for Valentine's Day. Never seen such a pretty bloom. If I've got time, I will heat up Sakara. I've already dumped this out. I'm not real fancy about it. I really shouldn't use microwaves. I should use stovetops, but I don't have time. This is eggplant Florentine marinara. Just poured it on top of eggplant Florentine with roasted broccolini. Superfood highlight, and here's eggplant. So there it is. Not real pretty. It's not plated at all, but I just pop it into the microwave. I need to cover it up or else mom will have my head. And I just typically do it for 2 minutes. Okay, let's move on to the next thing that I eat. You're getting everything that I eat every single day. Around 11 o'clock, I get super hungry. So I have this. So there's a Sakara, and we will get to this in a little bit, the Chobanis. But I love these metabolism bars, and I just grab one and I eat it really quick. When I don't have time to heat up Sakara, I make Kachava. Mom is like, everything you eat has a strange name to it. Sakara, Kachava, but really good stuff. So I have converted from Chobani Original to Chobani Zero Sugar. I use NutriBullet, and I fill up the Chobani all the way to the maximum. Kachava, current favorite, coconut acai. I got matcha tea in there. Mom made me some eggs, delicious. So I do eat normal foods too, not just these. But they're my go-to every single day because I just don't have time. So it says take 2 heaping spoonfuls. Since that first spoonful wasn't a full spoonful, we'll get a little bit more. Yeah. It's gonna get loud. I'll shut you off and then I'll be back. Okay, just finished mixing. I rinsed this out in the sink. And this is what I drink in between patients. This really is nutrient dense. I do not crave sugar, and as our patients know, I used to eat, not kid you not, about 5 candy bars a day, maybe a block of tofu just to be healthy, but this has so much nutrition. It's Kachava, a blend of superfoods, plant-based proteins. Lots of adaptogens, anti-inflammatory foods. So this is food as medicine. Sakara is food as medicine. So I love food as medicine. Look how good this stuff is. This is completely plant-based, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free. Absolutely delicious. Use this discount code if you want to get 20% off your first order of Sakara. And I use the 2 meal per week or 2 day per week plan just because it's less expensive. But with my discount code, you can get 20% off your first time order. So be well. That's what I eat in a day.